Hello, teachers. I would like to just make a quick little video just to share with you a nice little thing that I found recently that I really like. I'm enjoying it while we're doing this distance learning stuff. Um, so I'd like to share this with you. The quick about what it is, edpuzzle, edpuzzle.com. You take videos, whether they're videos you made yourself or videos someone else has made. You upload it into here, and then as the video is going, you pause at different places and you actually put in questions that you would like your students to respond to. This is a great way for formative assessment to see if they know, if they're catching on, if they're understanding what's going on. And you can see them later. You can see how the kids did. You can see the videos that they watched, how long they watched them, what they put down for their answers, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'd just like to share this with you real quick if you are interested. So edpuzzle.com, first time you go in, you do have to click on you're a teacher and you do have to make a login for it. I would like to first show you how to upload a video. And then second, I would like to show you what it looks like in your grade book and the assessment or what the kids are doing. So, all right, so this is home right here. Boom, pretty straightforward. I'm going to go down to my content right here. Okay, I'm going to go to add content. Okay, I believe I want to go to create a video. Now, there is all these, oop, that's kind of a creepy picture up there, but there is all of these already done videos for you. Now, if it's not one that you want, you can go up here and you can put in, I've got a couple in here already for YouTube. I'll go ahead and do that one, just search for that one. This is a video I looked up already that I like that I plan to use. Now, personally, this is a little side note, I like to use Screencast-O-Matic to make my own videos and put them on YouTube. And so my own videos can go right into here and then I can save them. You can record, I'll go back just real quick. You can record your videos through, if you go down here, upload a video. You can record a video right on your computer, and then you can just put it right here and you can upload your own videos. I like to put my stuff on YouTube and then put it in here, but you could just make sure, as long as it's less than 1 gigabyte, that's quite a long video, you can put it right there. So see if I can get back to where I was. Not sure if I can. Alrighty. The search. So I'm just putting you could put a name of a video on YouTube up here. I'm just putting in the URL because that's usually the easiest way. So now I have it right here. This is my video. I'm gonna hit play.
Welcome to science class! I'm Mark Rover. This is where we answer important questions like what if all the toilets in the world flushed at once?
Cool. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pause it right there. Now we have these 3 things that we can do right here. I could at any point put in a multiple choice question. At this point, that could be kind of an interesting thing. You know, multiple choice question. What do you think would happen? Do you think it would clear out the plumbing system? Do you think that all the toilets would stop up and overflow at the same time? Whatever it is. Interesting thing, this has actually been done before. There is a small island community. They're having a sewage backup problem, and so to flush out their plumbing, everyone at noon flushed their toilets, and it actually worked and actually took care of it. But I could put in a multiple choice question. I could also put in an open-ended question, like at this point, what do you think would happen if everyone flush their toilets at the same point? Okay, or I could put in a note. I could put like a little link to the island community that actually did it, whatever it is. So you can go ahead and do these. I'll just do an open-ended question. What do you think would happen? Save. Alrighty.
We have 3 clues. We try and use as few equations as possible.
No, I'm not going to take your time. but you can just watch the video and add questions wherever you think it is good and hit finish when you are done. Okay? Now, once I'm down here, I can go to assign, and I can assign it to 6th grade or 7th grade Bible. I'm going to have to add another 7th grade science class right there. I can add a new class, boom, and go ahead and put it in there. I'm not going to assign it because I'm not really going to have only one question in there. Okay? Now what I'd like to do is go ahead and show you guys what it actually looks like in your grade book, what you actually end up seeing from that, okay? Now this assignment here, this assignment is due after spring break, and so I'm not too worried that some kids have not done it, but I can look right down here. Faith, boom, she did. She watched the whole video and everything, okay? Peyton, she watched the video as well because it was less than 18 minutes long. But she took a little bit less time putting in her questions, stuff like that. So you can go right on down and you can see what kids have done. Have they watched it or not? Oh, look at that. Alicia Jacobs, that's actually my wife. I just logged her on real quick to test it out as someone else and see what it actually does. Okay. Now let's see if. All right, cool. So this is cardiovascular system 2, a video that I did and put up there. We're going to go to cardiovascular 1. Alrighty. And you can see, just once again, who watched it, how much of it that they watched, how many questions that they answered. Now, I do have to go through and I have to go ahead and grade these. Oh, there's my wife again. Let's see here. So, yep, she got it correct. And we can go ahead and comment on it if we want to. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm still exploring this just a little bit, exploring what to do, how things work exactly, but I want to share that with you. It's just kind of a cool little thing where you can take a video and put questions on it. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something. Thank you. Bye-bye.